Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on your Toshiba satellite C655D-S5200 laptop. You got 4 little plastic screw cover things in the corners. Start by removing those. That's one. Then you unscrew screws with a small Phillips head screwdriver. I already removed the other ones just to make this a little bit faster. Then you want to get you a flat screwdriver, a flat head, I guess you call it. You might not even need that. The panel should start to just pull away and just pop it apart. There we go. And when you come down to the bottom, you got these little hinge in there. You want to put the screen all the way back and pull it up. And then you want to take your flat screwdriver, your flat head, and just put it in there and kind of pop them up, pry them up or whatever. And they should pop free. You don't really have to use no force. You just kind of help them out. There you go. There we go. That's off. And next, you want to come back and take your small Phillips head. You should have 3 screws on each side. You got 1, 2, 3. Start with this one. Especially if you have a magnetic screwdriver, as you can see. I already removed most of the screws just to keep this short and simple. Alright, once you get all those screws out, grab the screen, the edges, and just lay it down on your keyboard there. And then you have your connector, and it's going to be held down by some tape. You just peel the tape up and kind of peel your connector up. It's got some sticky stuff on there, and then just kind of wiggle it on off and it'll pop on off. And since this is the broke screen, we're really not worried about scratching it up or messing it up, so you just chunk it over there to the dog to play with. And on your new one, I'm going to put some kind of plastic over the screen so you don't scratch it up when you're installing it. And you basically just reverse it. So you're going to start by putting your connector back in. tape back down. And then start putting your screws back in. Cut it off. Alright, finish those 3 screws up. Now, put the trim back on. Guess that's what it's called, trim. You want to make sure it's pushed all the way back. And see, you got these little hook things down here. You just want to use your screwdriver or whatever, or flat head screwdriver to push them around the hinges down there. Like that. Just like that. Oh, I forgot to take the protective. Take that off. Then just go around the edges and snap it back into place. And you get that snapped on, you start back putting your screws in. Put your screw covers back on and tighten it back up. Bam. But after you got all those screws in, you can just go ahead and put your battery back in to make sure your screen works. I guess my battery isn't in over there. I guess my battery's dead. Hold on. There we go. And we should have a working screen. There you go. Turn it off.